Yo, what's up, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls? Hope y'all guys are having a fantastic day today. Oh, hopefully I don't drop my camera doing that. I'm trying to get my toolbox out the back of the truck. I don't know if I'll be able to do it with the camera in my hand. There you go. You might just tell me what you see. Let's jump down from up here. Alright, I got my toolbox. So if you couldn't tell by today's title of the video, I'm installing a clutch spring because these big heavy tires, as you can see, they weigh a lot. I think I'm gonna need a lot more power than what I have currently. So yeah, hopefully the clutch spring will help it get more torque because it raises when it goes into, like, when it grabs and it makes it higher RPM. So hopefully it will make it pull faster. Let's start her up. Definitely cold. If you couldn't tell outside, it is currently about to storm, it looks like. The weather over there looks really, really cloudy, and I'm getting this thing pulled into the garage before everything gets really bad so I can work on it, and I won't have the rain spraying on me. So yeah, let's get down let's get down to the garage. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we are down here now, and let me show you what I got. So, EPI Performance Spring, it's the white one. I've heard the white ones are really good on the 570s, but yeah, hopefully this will make it have a lot more grip and go, and make it spin the tires better. I haven't taken it through thick mud yet, but I mean, when I get in there, I want to at least have the power to pull, which this thing does have power to pull, it's just, I can't want it anymore. And if you did want to know where you order these from, EPI Performance, they'll hook you up with them. They're relatively cheap. It's probably one of the cheapest performance mods you can do to a Can-Am. It's like 30 bucks for it, and I've heard they do pretty good. But yeah, let's get into installing this. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I finally got the side plastics off. As you can tell right here, it was a nightmare. I had to take off every single of these little, let me show you, these plastic ribbons. They are a nightmare to get out. So yeah, let's get to getting that. Alrighty guys, I finally got the floorboards off. As you can tell, it's really muddy under there, like really muddy. Besides that, at least I got everything off. It did take really long. Well, it's also because I just not that smart at taking all of this off. I didn't know what I was doing at first, but hey, I got a hang of it. Hopefully putting on will be easier than taking off, because taking off was really hard. Yep, so I think it's time to start taking this thing off. This thing shouldn't be too bad. It's just got all of those bolts right there to take off. But yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we finally got the belt cover off and all the blasts off after a good bit. They actually do look really nice. Just need to get this belt spread apart and get this off, and we will be good to go. Okay, let's get into it. We kind of ran into a mishap. So the bolt I ordered, it was the wrong one. This is actually for like a replacement bolt for the secondary. This isn't to spread them apart. Let me show you. So these right here, you need a bolt to go in here.
and I thought I was ordering those bolts to put in there so I could spread apart. Nope, I ordered the bolt for this right here. So the bolts right here, this is too big to go in there. So it will slide across like this. So these things will go like that, and you can get your belt off. But I don't have that bolt, and I need to pick it up, and I realized that I have the wrong bolt, and to get to your spring, it's all the way back there. So you gotta take that off and then take that whole thing out, and you just gotta like, I don't know. It is currently kind of getting late right now. I don't even know what time it is. Let me look. It is currently 10:26. It is getting late. I decided to do this late. I'll probably wrap this up until tomorrow. So yeah, but I do got my spring to put in it. Everything's good to put in it. So yeah, I reckon next clip you'll see me is at the store. Let's go. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's been about like 3 days, I think. But you know what? We finally got the bolts because the port store didn't have them. That's why we didn't go to the port store. They didn't have them in stock. So you know what? I just ordered some off Amazon. They fit. Already tried them. But yeah, let's get to taking this belt off. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we finally got the spring back on. Here's the old spring. Yeah, it was really rough trying to get it back on, but hey, we got it back on. And now, I need to get all of the plastics back on it. And yeah, so I know how it looks like this. We're gonna cut, and I'm gonna make it look different. And snap of a finger. Alrighty, so we got everything put back together. It was a pain in the butt putting everything back together. But hey, I got it all back on and everything is back together and everything is good. Hopefully nothing comes apart and flies off. Just pray it doesn't. We had to take this right here and push the clutch in with this because we couldn't push it in by ourselves because of how hard it was to push in. So yeah, that really shows how hard it was to do. But hey, at least we got everything back on. Then let's put it in reverse. We take a look at it. I'm really glad I did that to it. Next thing is probably clutches. But I'm really glad I did that. You can definitely feel a difference from when it engages, from when it used to engage to when it engages now. But yeah, it's getting dark outside, so I better hurry this up. I reckon let's get the GoPros on and let's get to riding. We're now riding with it. To be honest, I do like the spring, the new spring that's in it, and it really helps it. Like look. See 2000 when you engage. Yep, you felt it right there, how it engaged when you hit 2000. But yeah, I forgot how muddy it is from the golf court video, which you should 100% go watch because it was an awesome video. It's just thick mud right through here, really. It's from where the golf court dug out. All of that right there, which I haven't really been back here since that video. So yeah, y'all should definitely go check out that video because that video was an awesome video. Let's do a two-wheel drive stomp here. I saw 7200 there, which is actually I think I gained a couple 100 RPM, especially for stock clutchings, because before I would like go to, I don't know, before I'd go to like 68, 69, but hey, that was actually really good. I don't know what that was, but I definitely did hear some high RPMs through there. I saw like 74, I think, is what I saw on that one, which isn't bad, and I wasn't in it for that long. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to catch the video for next week, see what I got. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you on the next one. Peace.